Hey there, health enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel. Today we're going to dive into the fascinating world of fasting and how it works to benefit our bodies. Fasting is a practice that has been around for centuries and involves abstaining from food for a set period of time. There are different types of fasting, from intermittent fasting where you restrict your eating window to prolonged fasting where you go without food for 24 hours or more. When we fast, our bodies go through several stages that have profound effects on our metabolism and overall health. During the first few hours of fasting, our bodies use up-stored glycogen for energy. Once the glycogen stores are depleted, our bodies switch to burning fat for fuel, a process known as ketosis. Fasting has been shown to lower blood sugar levels and improve insulin sensitivity, making it a powerful tool for managing conditions like diabetes and obesity. It can also reduce inflammation in the body and promote cellular repair and autophagy. Breaking a fast is just as important as the fast itself. It's essential to ease back into eating with nutrient-dense foods to support your body's recovery and prevent digestive issues. Many people who practice fasting report increased mental clarity, improved focus, and even weight loss. It's important to listen to your body and find a fasting routine that works best for you. So there you have it, a glimpse into how fasting works and the incredible benefits it can offer for our health and well-being. Whether you're looking to improve your metabolism, boost your energy levels, or simply give your digestive system a break, fasting may be worth exploring. Thanks for tuning in, and be sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more informative content on health and wellness. See you in the next video.